I'm at the Smiths in Las Vegas. They have the Christmas novelties up, starting with the Exploding Coal Pop-Its. This is a box of 100. $3.29 is the new price. New for this year is an Ornament Poppers, Christmas tree ornament shaped party poppers, pack of 6. These are $5.49. They have the Snow Globe Confetti Cannons. Its new price is $5.49. They have the Exploding Reindeer Poop Pop-Its, box of 100, and its new price is $3.29. Then they have the 8-inch Celebration Crackers. That is $11.99. And this is what they have at the Smiths in Las Vegas for Christmas.